In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. First off, open our Facebook app. Then tap right here to go to the menu. After that, tap at that gear to head over to Settings and Privacy. And then go to Meter Account Center. After that, tap Add Personal Details and then Contact Info. It will show you all of your emails and phone numbers associated with that Meter Account Center. Yes, you are able to have multiple emails and multiple phone numbers right there at your contact information. If you would like to change your Facebook phone number, first of all, you need to add a new one. To do that, tap at that button. Select Add Mobile Number, then enter your number right over here. Then select Accounts for this number in that way. And then once you've done, tap at Next. It will send you a confirmation code to that phone number. And on the next step, you need to enter it in that text field. Once you've done that, tap at Next, and then your new phone number will be added to your contact information. And then you will be able to delete a phone number from your contact information. Just get into it and then tap at Delete Number. If you are sure you would like to do that, tap at Delete to confirm it. It will ask you to re-enter your Facebook password. And once you've done that, tap at Continue. That's how you can easily change your Facebook phone number. You've just mastered the art of changing your phone number on Facebook. If this guide was the key to your Facebook number makeover, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your social media squad, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials.